Today's recipe is a healthy breakfast or snack chia seed fruit salad that is packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and is so refreshing. Let's make this together. Here I soaked 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in 1 cup of water. I did this overnight in the fridge, but you can also do this at room temperature. It shouldn't take more than 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure to stir in the chia seeds well into the water and then let it rest. And next into this, we are going to add in half a cup of milk. And yes, you can also soak the chia seeds directly in milk if you like. I like to soak chia seeds in water instead of milk because that way I can store the soaked chia seeds in the fridge for about 3 to 4 days and from time to time use a little bit for different recipes. Next, we're going to make it healthier by adding 2 tablespoons of any roasted nuts of your choice. I love to add a little splash of vanilla extract, but this is totally optional. For sweetness, I added 2 chopped dates. You can also substitute with honey if you like. If you're planning on using this for a weight loss recipe, you can totally leave it out and just have the sweetness come from the chopped fruits that you add. And next, you can add in any chopped fruits of your choice. Guys, imagine a chilled bowl of this fruit salad during summer. It's going to make you feel so good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's all for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I post exciting recipes every week. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I would love it if you'd follow me. And for written recipes, you can always visit my blog. All the links are in the description. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.